Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Form 11, revision, second term. Choose. The opposite figure shows a U-shaped tube containing 3 balanced liquids. So the density of the oil is A. 800 kilogram per cubic meter, B. 850 kilogram per cubic meter, C. 900 kilogram per cubic meter, D. 925 kilogram per cubic meter. Please take care. In this problem, we have 2 points here at the same horizontal level, so they have the same pressure. Number 1, at the narrow tube with cross-section area A, the pressure due to the pressure of mercury. Number 2, at wide area 2A, pressure due to water and oil. So the answer will be C, due to raw water H water plus raw oil H oil in the wide tube equal raw mercury H mercury in the narrow tube. And we know that raw water 1000, raw mercury 13600, and we know height of water, height of oil, and height of mercury. So we can make our calculation to get raw oil. So raw oil will equal 7200 divided 8 equal 900 kilogram per cubic meter. Number 2, a man standing with his feet on the ground. Which of the following activities increases the pressure of the man on the ground? Number A, when the man bows slowly. Number B, when the man lays horizontally on the ground. Number C, when the man raises both of his hands slowly. Number D, when the man stands with one foot on the ground. Answer, number D. Why number D? When the man stands with one foot, so he decreases the surface area. So the weight of man will affect it on one foot instead of 2 feet. And we know that the pressure is inversely proportional to the surface area due to pressure equal force divided surface area. Number 3, 2 equal volumes of different materials are mixed together. If their densities are 2000 kilogram per cubic meter and 6000 kilogram per cubic meter, then the average density of the mixture equals 3000 kilogram per cubic meter, 4000 kilogram per cubic meter, 5300 kilogram per cubic meter, and 5500 kilogram per cubic meter. We want to get the average density to 2 equal volumes. Do you remember? So rho average equal rho 1 plus rho 2 over 2. So answer B, 2000 plus 6000 equal 8000 over 2 equal 4000 kilogram per cubic meter. Number 4, the opposite figure shows 2 similar capillary tubes of uniform cross-section area A and B. Each of them contains a mercury thread of length 1 centimeter, trapping the same amount of air. If the atmospheric pressure is 76 centimeter Hg, then the pressure of the trapped air in the 2 capillaries equal. In this figure, we have 2 special cases. Do you remember? We have 3 special cases. If the tube is horizontal, if the tube is vertical but opened end towards up, and the third case if the tube is vertical but opened end towards downward. If the tube is horizontal like A, BA equal atmospheric pressure, so equal 76 centimeter Hg. Tube B will equal atmospheric pressure plus H, and here height equal 1 centimeter, so 76 plus 1, 77. Answer number A. 5. If each tire of a car acts on the ground by a pressure of 5 times 10 power 5 Newton per meter square, and the area by which the tire touches the ground is 50 centimeter square, then the mass of the car equals number A 250 kilogram, B 500 kilogram, C 1000 kilogram, D 2500 kilogram. Answer will be C. Why C? We know that the total pressure will equal 4 times 5 times 10 power 5. Why 4? Because this car has 4 tires. Each of them, its pressure is 5 times 10 power 5. And I need the total pressure, so I will multiply it times 4. Area 50 times 10 power negative 4. Why times 10 power negative 4? To convert it from centimeter square into meter square. So I can calculate F, and F here from the weight of the car. So mg equal BA, and I know G by 9.8, and B I calculated the total for 4 tires and A. So M will be equal approximated 1000 kilogram. 6. When the mercury barometer is raised to a height of 107 meters from the sea level, then the mercury level in the barometric tube decreased by A 10 millimeter, B 20 millimeter, C 25 millimeter, and D 50 millimeter. The answer will be A. Why? Do you remember when we use mercury barometer to measure the height of mountain, we say that H1 minus H2 times rho mercury equal rho air times H mountain. H1 minus H2 meaning decreasing in height. Rho mercury equal height of mountain rho air. We have rho air and height of mountain and rho GH. So rho HG, So we can calculate decreasing in height equal 0.01022 meter. But your choice is by millimeter. So times 1000 to convert into millimeter equal 10.22 millimeter, approximated what? 10. 7. The opposite figure shows connected tubes with a horizontal base. If water is poured gradually, the height of water in the branches A and B and C at equilibrium is, which of them will has more height? Please take care. At equilibrium means at balance, so same pressure, so it will be at the same horizontal level. So the height A equal height B equal height C, number C. 8. The opposite figure shows a glass container of height 30 centimeter, completely filled with water. If the pressure due to water on point A is B, then the height from the base of the container at which the pressure is 2B is equal to A 10 centimeter, B 15 centimeter, C 12.5 centimeter, and D 20 centimeter. Please take care from 2 points. Here we need to calculate the height from the base of the container to the point. So I need to calculate the height which is under our point. But when we deal with the pressure, we will deal with the height above the point. Do you understand me? Again, To calculate the pressure, you need to know the height which is above the point. But here we need the height under the point. At the first, answer will be D. Why? BA, pressure at point A, equal rho GH, and we know that H here, it is the height above A. Excellent. So, if all container 30, under A 25, so above A 5. So, pressure at A equal 5 rho G, where rho and G is constant because it is the same liquid. And then, pressure at our point equal to pressure at point A equal 2 times 5 rho G equal 10 rho G, where rho G is constant. This 10, it is the height above our point, but we need the height under our point. All container 30, above it 10, so height under it will be 30 minus 10 equal 20 centimeter. Number 9, the opposite figure shows two cylinders of different materials having the same mass and height, where the radius of the second cylinder is double the radius of the first one. So, the radius between the densities of two liquid cylinders, rho 1 to rho 2, is A1, B half, C 4, D quarter. Answer will be excellent C. Why? Due to rho 1 over rho 2 equal M1 V2 over M2 V1. Why? Rho equal, excellent, M over V. So direct with mass and inverse with volume. If I write here rho 1, so will be M1 direct, but V1 under because it is inverse, and rho 2 under, M2 under, direct, and V2 up due to it is inverse. Do you understand? M1 equal M2 cancel together, so equal V2 over V1. V equal A times height, surface area times height, and height are equals, cancel together, equal A2 over A1. A equal by R square, and R2 double, so 2 square over 1 square equal 4. Do you understand? Thank you very much.